How to use Tapswap. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can utilize Tapswap and earn money. So I will be providing a link in the description. Just simply click on that particular link in order to join Tapswap. So after you click on the link, this is where it will take you. Let me close it up. And this is where it will take you. After that, you need to click on the option of start, or you can also type this option of /start in order to start. And this is how it will appear. Then click on start now, and this is how it will load. Just wait for it to load, and after waiting for a while, this is how it will appear. Now here you can tap and earn points. This will get you in different leagues over here. There are various leagues that you can see, and you will also be getting rewards for getting into the higher leagues. So you can see all the leagues over here. And if you invite people, you would be getting some extra benefits. So join using my link, so we will both get the extra points for it. Under the special task, if you complete them, you would be getting some additional points over here. And if you want to just watch and get the coins, then just simply watch the video and you would be getting the points for it. And when we check out the different sections of Tapswap, you can see that there is tapping guru. When you click on it, you get 20 seconds of 5x boost for it. Like when I click on get it, this is how it will appear. Now for 20 seconds, I will be getting 5x boost on my taps. So earn as much as you can in these 20 seconds. But make sure that before you do it, your energy levels are full. So you can click on this option of boost and click on this option of full tank. And this will give you a full tank. This gives 3 chances for you per day in order to get it full. And this is how it works. And there are some other options as well on Tapswap, like multi-tap, energy limit, and recharging speed. When we click on the recharging speed, we can increase our speed of recharging by just increasing our level, and the energy limit can also be increased by increasing the level of this. Multi-tap gives you higher amount of points. Like when I tap on it, it gives me 14 points, but if I increase the level of multi-tap over here, I will be getting higher points for tapping. And in the similar way, you can get this particular tap boat over here. So whenever you are offline and your energy levels are full, this tap boat will be earning for you. So this is how it will work. Under the stats, you can check out all the stats related to this particular game. And you can also connect your wallet. There are certain tasks over here that you can get from time to time in order to connect your Tapswap with different wallets like Solana wallet or the Binance ID or different other wallets. So this way you would be able to move your coins from Tapswap to any other exchange over there. So this was all about Tapswap. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.